Switzerland, a small country nestled in the heart of Europe, packs a powerful punch when it comes to travel experiences. From towering snow-capped peaks to sparkling blue lakes, Switzerland's natural beauty is simply breathtaking. Add to that charming villages, efficient cities, and a rich cultural heritage, and you have a destination that truly offers something for everyone. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a history buff, or simply seeking a relaxing getaway, Switzerland has something magical in store for you. Imagine yourself surrounded by towering mountains, their peaks piercing the clouds. Picture crystal-clear lakes reflecting the vibrant hues of alpine meadows. Envision charming villages with cobblestone streets and flower-filled balconies. This is Switzerland, a country that seems almost too perfect to be real. But rest assured, this alpine paradise is very much a reality, and it's waiting to be explored. Switzerland's appeal lies not only in its picture postcard scenery, but also in its warm hospitality, efficient infrastructure, and commitment to sustainability. The Swiss take pride in their country, and it shows. From the meticulously maintained hiking trails to the spotless public transportation, everything in Switzerland seems to run like clockwork. Whether you're planning a summer hiking trip, a winter ski adventure, or a scenic train journey through the Alps, Switzerland welcomes you with open arms and unforgettable experiences. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to discover the magic of Switzerland. Switzerland is a land of iconic landmarks, each more impressive than the last. No trip to Switzerland is complete without experiencing the majesty of the Matterhorn. This iconic peak, with its distinctive pyramidal shape, is one of the most photographed mountains in the world. Take a ride on the Görner Gratbahn, Europe's highest open-air railway, for stunning views of the Matterhorn and surrounding glaciers. For another unforgettable mountain experience, head to Jungfraujoch, known as the top of Europe. This high-altitude wonderland, perched at 3,454 meters above sea level, offers panoramic views of the Aletsch Glacier, the longest glacier in the Alps. Visit the Ice Palace, a magical world of ice sculptures, and marvel at the breathtaking views from the Sphinx Observatory. Descend from the mountains to discover the beauty of Switzerland's lakes. Lake Geneva, the largest lake in Central Europe, sparkles like a jewel amidst the foothills of the Alps. Take a leisurely boat tour, stroll along the lakeside promenade, or simply relax and soak up the serene atmosphere. No exploration of Switzerland would be complete without a visit to Zurich, the country's largest city. This vibrant metropolis, located on the shores of Lake Zurich, seamlessly blends modern architecture with historic charm. Explore the cobblestone streets of the Old Town, discover world-class museums and art galleries, or indulge in some retail therapy along Bahnhofstrasse, Zurich's upscale shopping street. Switzerland's beauty changes with the seasons, offering a year-round destination for every taste. Winter transforms the country into a winter wonderland, perfect for skiing, snowboarding, and other snow sports. Hit the slopes in world-renowned resorts like Zermatt, St. Moritz, and Davos, or enjoy cross-country skiing and snowshoeing through pristine alpine forests. As spring arrives, the snow melts to reveal lush green meadows carpeted in wildflowers. Hiking trails come alive with hikers eager to explore the Alps, while cyclists navigate mountain passes and valley roads. Take a scenic cable car ride to admire the blooming alpine flora, or try your hand at paragliding for a bird's-eye view of the stunning landscapes. Summer in Switzerland is a time for swimming, sailing, and sunbathing. The lakes become playgrounds for water sports enthusiasts, while mountain resorts offer hiking, mountain biking, and rock climbing. Take a refreshing dip in a crystal-clear lake, enjoy a picnic surrounded by breathtaking views, or embark on a scenic train journey through the heart of the Alps. As autumn paints the landscapes in vibrant hues of gold, red, and orange, Switzerland takes on a magical ambiance. Hiking trails offer stunning views of the colorful foliage, while vineyards celebrate the grape harvest with festivals and events. Indulge in seasonal culinary delights, such as roasted chestnuts and warming mugs of glühwein, or simply savor the beauty of the changing seasons. Switzerland's cultural tapestry is as rich and varied as its landscapes. The country boasts a unique blend of German, French, Italian, and Romansh influences, reflected in its languages, cuisine, and traditions. Experience the warmth of Swiss hospitality in local villages, where time-honored customs are still celebrated with pride. No trip to Switzerland is complete without sampling its culinary delights. Swiss chocolate is renowned worldwide for its smooth, rich flavor. Indulge in a chocolate tasting, visit a chocolate factory, or simply savor a bar of Swiss chocolate amidst the stunning alpine scenery. Cheese is another cornerstone of Swiss cuisine. From Gruyere to Emmental to Appenzeller, Switzerland produces a wide variety of cheeses, each with its own distinct flavor and texture. Sample local cheese varieties at a farmer's market, visit a cheese dairy to learn about the cheese-making process, or enjoy a traditional Swiss cheese fondue. Switzerland is a multilingual country, with German, French, Italian, and Romansh spoken in different regions. While English is widely spoken in tourist areas, learning a few basic phrases in the local language can enhance your interactions with locals and deepen your cultural immersion.